Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. My name is Claudia and I showcase my passion for all things beauty, fashion, and kind of everything in between. Today I'm really excited to be showing you guys an amazing eye contact try-on haul. I got sent some really cool contacts and I wanted to show you guys what they look like on somebody who kind of has naturally medium brown to more darker eyes. With contacts, they can look different on each and every single person's eye color. If you are somebody who is interested in getting eye colored contacts, whether it's prescription or even non-prescription, Solotica lenses has some really amazing colors, and comfort-wise, it's really up to par as well. Like, I've used their contacts for over a year now and I could not be any happier. If you guys want to see more videos as well, please feel free to like the video and subscribe. Let's get into it. So I got sent this really cute case, and it has orange and yellow and pink all around, and it says Solotica in certain areas. So just opening up the bag, I have three super exciting colors to show you guys, and they come packaged just like so. This is the new line that they have, which is called the Aquarella line. They have a variety of different colors, but I'm going to show you guys what these three specific colors look like on my eyes. So the first color that I have, which I'm by far the most excited for because I really love gray colored contacts and also lighter brown colored contacts. I feel like the gray gives me a very enhanced and stark look with my hair color, and the brown is super flattering on every single skin tone, hair color, eye shape, just super flattering all around. So you definitely cannot go wrong with like a brown color. So first one is Allegra Gray, and then I have Samba Green, and lastly I have Noronha Blue. So a blue color, green, and a gray. Of course, because I am so excited to try the gray, we'll start with the gray one here. Each contact comes individually packed. So it comes just like that. And I can already tell right off the bat that this contact is gonna be super light. And it's definitely gonna give me a more enhanced and stark look. Because if you guys can look, you can barely see the contact. You can barely see the contact in the case, meaning it's gonna be very light on somebody who already has very dark or medium brown eyes. And then what I really appreciate about Solotica lenses is each individual pair of lenses comes with a contact lens case. The L stands for left, and then there's an R which stands for the right eye. So it's always super handy because, I mean, if you open these up, what are you gonna do with them, right? So I really appreciate the fact that they've thought of that and they just provide you with it. So I'm just gonna open up the lens case to then pop the lenses into the case. I'm somebody who does not wear glasses, so my eyesight, luckily for now, is very good. I got them in the Power Zero, but if you're somebody who does need prescription, they definitely do provide it, which is amazing. So I just opened up the one lens case and I'm gonna pop that into my eye. So how I like to place the contact in my eye is I'll just put the contact right on my fingertip, just like so. And then I'm looking this way because that's where my mirror is, because your girl needs to see what she's doing with her eyeball. And then I will just tug slightly and then place the contact lens in my eye, look left and right, make sure it is fully secure on. This color is so stunning, such a unique look. Like, this is so beautiful. Something about a gray contact with lighter hair is super enhancing as well. And if you definitely do have darker hair, this will just draw more attention to the eyes in general. I feel like no matter what, this contact definitely will be catching you attention. And if you're somebody who likes that, definitely this is amazing. If you're somebody who does like a more subtle natural eye, then I'm sure there's gonna be something in the variety for you as well. But I'm very in love with this. It is so cool and so beautiful. If you look at it up close too, I feel like in the middle, it does have a lighter green color, which is what's portraying on my eye. And then the outer rim of it is definitely the lighter gray color, which is kind of like a bluish. It has so much depth and I really love it a lot. I'll show you guys up close in this lighting. And then I'll show you guys outside too what it looks like. So my natural eye and the contact lens. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is a natural lighting. I'll just show you guys all around. Very, very beautiful color. Different lighting. Some very beautiful light bluish, greenish, gray color. And then just my natural eye color. And extremely comfortable. And this beautiful look right here is with both contacts in. Very comfortable. I do not even feel them on. Whether it's a natural makeup look or a very enhanced smoky eye, darker lash line, this contact lens will enhance everything, and I definitely am here for it. Solotica, you never do me wrong. I love it. And in pictures, I already know this color is gonna be super, super stunning. So stay tuned. And if you guys wanna follow my brand new Instagram account, I just linked it in the description down below. I literally have only like 1 follower on there. If you guys wanna support your girl and see her upcoming videos, feel free to follow. Moving on to the second color here I am opening up is Samba Green. And let's get into it. Let's see how Samba Green is gonna look. So one thing I noticed about this collection is there are definitely lighter contacts. So once again, you cannot really see the contact lens, indicating it is gonna be a lighter color. I feel like green and blue is one of those colors where you really have to watch out for if you are somebody who likes a more natural look, because sometimes it may look very artificial, but Solotica usually comes through. This is super, super beautiful. It has a lot of depth. Once again, I notice with these contacts, they are so complex because in the middle, they have like a more yellowish, very lighter color towards the middle of my eyeball, and then out on the outer trim, it definitely is the more green color. So very beautiful, provides a lot of depth and multi-dimensional color. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in natural daylight as well. I'll give you guys different angles. Extremely, extremely comfortable. They're great for daily use up to 3 months. And I'll just pop the second lens in. Just like that. I feel like this will be very nice for the summertime. And I do have a discount code, which I will leave in the description box down below if you guys are interested. Just check that out. And removing the contacts, I like to move it down a little bit and then just grab it. I know it may look a little bit startling, but once you get the hang of it, it's definitely a complete breeze. There is applicators which help the removal process, but it's always best to just get used to removing them by your finger, because in my opinion, it's the easiest. Because what if you're wearing your contact lenses and it comes time for you to remove them and you can't find your removal kit? So with your finger, you don't gotta worry about losing it. Your finger will always be there for you. It got your back in ways that a removal kit does not. So guys, learn to remove them with your fingers. It is the best. So moving on to the final last color, it is Noronha Blue. Wow, this one once again is still very, very light. I cannot even see it in the package. If you guys have not tried contact lenses, I definitely recommend getting on it. I'm not being paid or anything to say that, because I'm somebody who has always been interested in contact lenses. As long as they're comfortable, then it's manageable, but the last thing that you want is uncomfortable contact lenses, because that will be like the worst. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I think this one is oh my God, this is my favorite one. It's such a deep blue color, and I'm honestly amazed because in the package, it looked super, super light. I was expecting it to be like the other two, but I feel like this one is more of a darker color, and I really, really love it. So looking at it up close, in the middle, kind of looks more like a beige, almost yellow color, and then the outer trim of it is definitely the blue color. It is super, super beautiful. It's more like it's the naturalist one out of the 3, definitely, I would say. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I usually don't like green or blue colors, but very pleasantly surprised to see this is my favorite one. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in natural daylight as well. So this is the blue color. I am very, very amazed at this color. I have to admit, it's super flattering, super natural but enhancing, and I am definitely loving it. It's my favorite one so far out of all of the three. And I'll show you guys in different angles. Excuse the mess in the back. I have yet to clean the balcony. I was just too excited to show you guys this collection. So guys, I've placed both of the blue lenses in. So once again, this color is called Noronha Blue. Always good to have different options because you never know when you're going to be stepping out and you want everything to be truly elevated, or you want to go for a more natural look. I'm really interested to know what you guys think of the following collection. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that you're staying happy and healthy. And take care, my lovelies. Bye.